I'm doing this video of my car. My mom made me a fundraising page she told me about, and I needed to upload some pictures and stuff. I lost my job and I wasn't able to pay for the insurance for August, so I dropped it about 2 weeks before the flood. And my car was, a 2002, but it was nice. I had no problems at all with it. The body, everything's good. Was good before the flood. We took the seat out because we were trying to see if the battery was even salvageable, but mold is growing all inside the car. I have 2 kids. I need a ride to go back to work, and I'm a single mom and I don't have anything right now to even help me to buy a car. FEMA wouldn't help me because of the insurance issue, and I'm just lost right now. This has been the worst time of my life, and I know many other people's lives as well. But everything is covered in swamp mud. My uncle came and he took the tire off. He was trying to see if he could change the oil. See, that's my tire right there. Perfectly good. I hope that God will help me get help. Thank you. God bless.